This is a documentary about carnivorous plants and the pressing threat that they're being faced with. The Little Shop of Horrors was made in 1986 and made the Venus flytrap famous.
Vendricks will pick you up some nice chopped sirloin.
Must be blood.
Tui, that's disgusting.
Must be fresh.
I don't want to hear this.
Feed me.
Does it have to be human?
Feed me.
Does it have to be mine?
Feed me.
Where am I supposed to get it?
Feed me, Seymour. Feed me all night long. That's right, boy. You can do it. Feed me, Seymour. Feed me all night long. 'Cause if you feed me, Seymour, I can grow up big and strong.
This fly has to tread carefully. If it strikes one hair, it can carry on feeding, but a timer has been set. A second strike in less than 20 seconds and the fly is doomed.
Here's a glimpse into the horrors of deforestation.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you get what you want but not what you need, when you feel so tired but you can't sleep, stuck in reverse, and the tears come streaming down your face when you lose something you can't replace. When you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? Lights will guide you home.
If this place were not protected, it could be used for land development and all the plants here would be killed. Luckily, for this place, there is no land development, so these plants are thriving. And as you will see in a second, there are people in the background looking at these amazing plants. For places that are not protected, organizations like the ICPS, International Carnivorous Plant Society, are organizing plant rescues to try and preserve as many plants as possible. Since 2003, the ICPS has been giving grants for land management work as in many states that have lots of carnivorous plants. We are now going to interview a slightly informed subject. Hello audience, we're going to continue the documentary by interviewing my mom. We're going to ask her a few questions. Question 1, what do you know about carnivorous plants?
I know that carnivorous plants eat insects.
Where did you learn this information?
The insect eating part, I've always known that.
Question 2, how do you feel if there are no more carnivorous plants left in the wild?
Well, that would be really sad.
Why do you feel that way?
Well, because they're kind of interesting plants, and that would be a big void in the plant world.
What would you do if there were only a few hundred carnivorous plants left in the wild?
It would probably be good to help raise awareness,
Why would you do that?
because they're really interesting plants, and I'm sure they perform an important function in the plant world.
If someone were to give you a carnivorous plant and you knew how to take care of it, would you accept it?
Absolutely.
Why?
Because they're really cool and interesting, actually kind of fascinating plants.
What you can do to help. You can donate to the ICPS or join to help fund the projects that the ICPS is doing, or you can write a letter to Senator Barbara Boxer or Dianne Feinstein about carnivorous plant deforestation and swamp drainage.